we made 2 of them. So that's a lot of popcorn right there. So yeah.
Oh wait, don't you want put that?
What? Have some
Oh, this is gonna be mine because I already put butter in it. It'll be disgusting with butter.
Ooh, yeah.
Thank God we noticed before we put it on there. Disgusting.
Whew. Think of that, you guys. Ooh. I would have to eat it. It'd be all mushy too. So it'd be weird. Look at it taste fine, guys. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys. It was a quick vlog. So
Yeah.
that's my second one. Like I'll say that was my one.
Your one?
It's 1.5, I guess.
This is how I shake my popcorn.
Jesus, stop! You're only gonna do it. Yeah, that's how I shake his popcorn, I guess.
The magazine.
Oh. Yeah, but that's all for today. Not for today.
That's all for right now.
Yeah, that's all for right now. We're gonna eat some popcorn, watch a movie, and play. I'll see you guys after we're done playing. Bye!